Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a video in Canva quickly and easily. If you're working on a project in Canva and you want to divide a segment of your video into sections, you're in the right place. Stick around as we guide you through each step in this efficient process. First things first, once you've opened up your Canva project, you'll need to locate the timeline scrubber. This is essentially your navigation tool, and it lives in the video editor interface right below the preview window. It allows you to move back and forth through your video at various points, making it super handy for precise editing. Once you've got a grasp of where your scrubber is, the next step is to decide on the exact position where you intend to split your video. Gently drag the timeline scrubber across the timeline until you reach the desired timestamp. This action helps you find the perfect spot, whether you're segmenting a scene, trimming unwanted footage, or simply organizing your video content better. When you've located the right point, the next action involves a simple right-click on the scrubber. This will open up a context menu. You might be wondering why right-clicking is important. Well, this brings up essentially a shortcut menu, a quick way to see what options are available without navigating through extensive menus. From the context menu that appears, look for the split page option. Clicking on split page is crucial because this is what actually divides your video into separate clips. With the click, your video will be split at the marker set by the scrubber, giving you two independent video sections. These newly formed clips each become customizable, allowing you to edit them separately. Whether you're looking to add effects, transitions, or changes in timing, you now have full control. And that's it. Can you believe how simple that was? Just a few straightforward steps, and you've split your video, all while remaining within the same project interface. This method is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their workflow in Canva, offering surprisingly powerful editing capabilities despite the platform's simplicity reputation. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helped you understand how to split videos in Canva with ease.